Introduction to databases.
Databases are systems for organizing, storing, and retrieving data. In modern software, databases play a crucial role in powering applications, websites, and services. There are two major categories: relational and non-relational, also known as NoSQL databases. Understanding their differences helps in choosing the right solution for your project or business.
What are relational databases?
Relational databases organize data into structured tables consisting of rows and columns. Each table represents an entity, and relationships between tables are established using keys. SQL, structured query language, is commonly used to manage and query data. Examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle database. Relational databases excel at complex queries, data integrity, and handling structured data.
What are non-relational databases?
Non-relational databases, also known as NoSQL databases, do not use the fixed table structure of relational databases. Instead, they store data in flexible formats like documents, key-value pairs, graphs, or columns. Popular examples include MongoDB, document-oriented, Redis, key-value, and Cassandra, column family. These databases handle unstructured or semi-structured data and scale easily for large or rapidly changing datasets.
Key differences between relational and non-relational databases.
Relational databases are best for structured data and complex relationships, providing strong data consistency and integrity. Non-relational databases offer flexibility, high performance, and scalability for varied data types. While relational databases use SQL, non-relational databases often use custom query languages. The choice depends on your data structure, scalability needs, and the types of queries your application requires.
Common use cases and choosing the right database.
Use relational databases for financial systems, customer records, or applications needing structured data and complex queries. Non-relational databases fit best for big data, real-time analytics, social networks, or any scenario where data formats may change frequently. Carefully evaluate your application's requirements to select the database type that provides the best balance of performance, flexibility, and reliability.